Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kobe. Now, thank you for watching my videos, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe. Now, in this video, I'm gonna go through how I created this beautiful website for music that you see over here. Now, the last website that I did, the music website that I did, a lot of you, watched it and then have given me some kind of like messages asking me like they want to create their own music website whereby they can sell the songs over there. Now the last music website we did was not to sell songs but to also blog music for people to download for free. But in this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can be able to sell your song. If you are a music producer, if you are, a music management team or whatever it is, if you are a musician and you want to, you want a website to sell your songs, whereby people can come over there to download songs over there and pay money for it. Now, this is the best website for you. Now, this video, like I always do, is designed with every possible free plugin that I could find. Okay, so it is a very nice, beautiful website, as you can see, very beautifully designed. Then we have the home page over here, which is the landing page. Okay, as this is the landing page whereby when somebody comes to your website, this is where the person is coming to straight away. This is the landing page with everything that you see at a glance. And then we also have, so on the landing page you have the hero section over here, okay, which is written download fresh and trending music from Africa, with some buttons over there. We have the next section, which also talks about music by genre, that is like various category of music that you have. Okay, so we have the Afrobeat, the hip life, the hip hop, piano, high life, and others. And then music by artists, so all artists, trending artists that you have on your website, you can list them also over here. Okay, and then when somebody wants to see more, the person can click over here to see more of the artists. Now, as you can see, we also have this menu icon over here. Now, this menu icon takes you through the website. Okay, it's sticky. You can see very nice and sticky menu icon. Now, if you watch my other video, I showed you how you can create this nice sticky full screen menu. Okay, so if you click over here, it gives you a full screen menu over here, whereby you can go through all the menu items over here, and then also have the close button over here whereby somebody can want to close. So very nice animation. Okay, very nice animation. So basically this is it. This is the home page of the website, or the landing page of the website. And then when somebody wants to go through different places, maybe one person wants to go to the music store, the person can go to the music store by clicking over here. So I'll show you how you can be able to design, fully customize your music store very nicely, just like this one, as you can see over here. Very nice music store. Okay, you list all your songs over there. Okay, people can come and then buy. So this is a very nice music website. You see, we have a very nice header too over here. Okay, you can go back to the other home page. We have this one, have the landing page and then the home page. So this is the real home page for the website. Okay, so this is the real home page for the website. Also have a very nice hero section over here with some of the things, or some of the music from different part of the the continent also listed over here. And then we also have the playlist section, whereby people can decide to get listen to your song, and then maybe decide to buy the song or not. So that one too is it's over there. And then this one is still loading. My internet is a bit slow here. So you see, also have listed some, um, other people's music over here where you are selling. Okay, so other artists' music over here, you can, people can what have a feel of all those things, and then a simple footer written, your website name over there. So this is a very nice. Now it also have about page also, and a very nice about page over there. Okay, with nice animation, very simple header with nice animation, with your, about you, very simple about page about your website, and then also the services. Now this also lists all the services that you offer as, a music store. What are some of the services that you offer? So you can list all those services over. I'll show you how to create this beautiful, you know services icons, and these beautiful services, boxes over here. I'll show you how to do all those things. And then we also have the contact page, the contact us page, also very nice contact. As you can see, this one runs through because this is my logo. Okay, this is the store logo, so I used it to design the whole thing with a very nice simple contact us page over here. And then we also have, various category of what music, category of music, so Afrobeat, all those things. You can check through it and then see how it is. And then we have the artist section too. You can check through all the artists, their kind of the kind of music, the various music that they have. You see, as you can see, we have listed the categories too over here. Okay, you will see all of them, and then all the artists and their music too are over here. And then we also have the playlist section also over here. So this is the playlist section over here. Okay, now this website is fully designed with Elementor free version. Okay, and then some other plugins. I'll talk to you about all those plugins, and then we'll get it, and then we'll start designing our website. Okay, so everything as you see over here, we use free things, free plugins, free page builder. Everything is free theme. Okay, we didn't buy anything, we customize it. So this is a very nice um, image accordion that you can insert in your website. Very nice one, very beautiful. Okay, now let me show you how, when somebody wants to buy your song, it will look like when somebody wants to buy your song. Now let's go to the home page. Okay, so basically this is the home page. Now let's say somebody wants to buy a song. Okay, let's go to one of the songs page. Okay, let's go to Burna Boy's page. So as you can see, even the single music page is fully customized just for this website. We customize it just for this website. Okay, so everything is fully customized. We did it from scratch. Okay, everything has been done from scratch, fully customized. I'll show you how I did everything over here. Now you see, it have the ratings over here. So the song title, the ratings. Okay, now the category that it falls on, the album cover too over here, or the song artwork over here. And then we also have, you may also like to different um, songs too over here. Okay, and then the song can also be listed over here. Okay, and then we have reviews. So if people leave reviews for the song, you can it will be shown over here. Okay, that is it. So if you like the song, and then you want to buy the song, you just click on download, and then a pop-up will show. Okay, let's wait and see. Yeah, so as you can see, a pop-up will show. Okay, that is what the music, the download basket Okay, I'll show you how you can also integrate this one into your into your theme. Very nice one. And then you can decide to proceed to download the song. I'll show you how you can design this very beautiful checkout page over here, and then you can proceed to fill in your your details over here. Fill in your details. Now if you want to log in, you can also decide to log in, and then after that you can place the order. When you click on place order, your order will be placed. Okay, now when your order is placed, you get this this information. Now as you can see, because I use what cash on delivery, it means that the admin needs to approve it. Okay, so when admin approve, you can get your download as quick as possible. Okay guys, so this is the admin dashboard over here. So as you can see, the song is on hold. Okay, so if I go into the order that the person ordered the song, and then I change the status from on hold to completed. Okay, and then I update it, and now let's go back to where we are, the thank you page. Okay, and then let's refresh the page over here. You see that, yes, you see that the download is in. And when you click over here, when you hover on it, the song will show. Okay, so if you want to download it, it never expires. Okay, it never expires. If you want to download it, you just have to click on it, and then the song will start downloading for you over here. Okay, so basically that is how the website looks like. Very nice website whereby everybody can come and download, buy songs over there. Okay, not for free, they have to buy it, they have to purchase and buy the song. So guys, that is the overview of the music store. And then I'll show you how you can be able to design this website. Okay, I'm not going to go through into details the whole thing, but then as we design it, you see how the website designing process goes. Okay, so I hope you watch till the end, because there are a lot of things that you're going to learn in this tutorial. So stick with us and let's go. Now before we go, if you haven't subscribed, please press the subscription button over there. Press the subscribe button. Okay, press it. Okay, press it, and then share. Okay, and then you also like the video. Alright guys, so if you want me to do a full tutorial on how I made this beautiful website, all I need from you is to like this video and then comment in the comment section, yes I want. Okay, just type in yes I want, and then if I get 200 comments and 200 likes, I'll drop this video. Okay, I'll drop the video on how I created this beautiful music store. Okay, so all what I need is for you to like the video, share the video, and then also subscribe to the channel and comment in the comment section, yes I want, and I'll drop the video. Okay, so I'm looking forward to it. Like, comment, and I'll drop the video. Okay, thank you, see you.